The 1995 Chevy Silverado 1500 and the 1985 Chevy C10 are absolute American legends on the road. But like any classic truck, they come with their own set of unique mechanical problems. For the 95 Silverado, the most common issue is often related to the throttle body injection system and fuel pressure regulators. If you're experiencing a rough idle or sudden loss of fuel mileage, always check your TBI injectors first. Next up, electrical faults. Old wiring harnesses can corrode over time, this leads to sudden crank no start conditions, faulty sensor readings, or open ground circuits that drive truck owners crazy. When it comes to the classic 85 Chevy C10, carburetor adjustments and vacuum leaks are your #1 enemies. A bad vacuum line can instantly throw off your RPM and ruin your engine's performance. Want to see a complete, deep dive diagnostic and repair guide for these classic Chevy trucks? Drop a comment with your truck's problem below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more expert automotive tips.